What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Seancutshair and this is my barber studio. Today I'm gonna be doing a video to update you guys on my station and what I'm using in 2024. So go ahead and start over here on this side, guys. I got all of my shears. I think I got 9 different sets of shears. Pretty much everything you guys would use. This is my standard cutting shear. It is a 5.5. We have a standard thinning shear. I think it's a 34 tooth. I also have a 6, a 6.5, and a 7-inch cutting shear, and a couple others that I use from time to time. Now, all of my shears are from FreshShears. You guys can check them out at freshprotools.com. And I have a discount code, I think it's Seancutshair, but I'll put the link in the description if you guys wanna shop. Now, next to those, I have my Tomb45 triple cartridge razors. I don't know why there's a blade in there. Let's go ahead and take that out. But I do have all 4 colors, green, blue, red, and black. I probably use the black the most, but at least I have the colors if I wanna switch it up. And right here I have the Tomb45 Turkish razor, I think coming soon. I don't even know if I'm supposed to show that to you guys, but I know a lot of people love the Turkish razor, and we're gonna have probably all the same colors I just showed you in the Turkish. Now at the very end, I have my Seancutshair finger feather razors. I think I do still have a few of these in stock. If somebody does want one, you can hit me up. I don't really sell them on my website anymore, but I do have those here. And at the very end, I do have a FreshShears feather razor as well. Now underneath all of my shears, you can see some of the products that I like to use on the daily. This is Statement Grooming Spray. This is probably what I use the most. I use it for most of my blow-dried styles, which is the majority of the stuff that I do these days. And next to that is the Definition Spray. I'll be honest, I haven't used it a lot. I just got used to using the grooming spray, and that's what I use most of the time. And then down here on the end is the Tomb45 Pure Powder. This is the pump bottle that you can pump out. I think we're getting a little low. There we go. And I use that I'll use that a lot of times for finishing haircuts, kind of drying up any moisture that's left, and it gives a nice messy style. Right behind that is the Tomb45 Shave Gel. You know, been using this for years, one of the best shave gels on the market. And behind that are the hair fibers. So I don't do a ton of enhancements. You guys see the airbrush down here on the end. Honestly, I haven't turned this thing on probably over a year. If you guys watch the videos, you haven't seen enhancements in a while. My enhancement of choice is usually fibers, much quicker, easier. You spray them on, line it up, and you're done. You don't have to clean anything out, but I do use the no drip from time to time. But the Tomb45 hair building fibers are great. Now I do, of course, have the Tomb45 Indestructible Clay in the drawer. This is my absolute favorite product. It's what's in my hair right now. It's what I use on all of my crop tops and my textured styles. If I want to do something a little more sleek, I have been using Statement Shine Paste that I can't find. I think it might still be in my travel bag. So most of the time I style, I'm usually using Indestructible Clay or the Shine Paste in combination with the grooming spray. So like I said, if you guys follow the channel, you have seen that in use. Now while the drawer is open, level 3 gloves, I just use them because they're cheap and I can get them. And that's pretty much all that's in the drawer that I use on the daily. Now back behind everything is my G&B air duster. I don't use this a whole lot except when it gets some hair on the station. You know, before I make this video, we blow all the hair off, blow the hair off of my clippers. But this is the metal version. You can get it at G&B Pro. Super solid, super powerful. I did a review on the Barber Nation one a long time ago, and everybody said they couldn't get it and they paid, they didn't get it for 3 months. G&B Pro in stock. You guys can get it at gbpro.com, and my code Seancutshair will save you 10% on the air duster or any travel accessories from G&B. Now if we move on down, level 3 aftershave is probably one of my favorite aftershaves. They all smell super good, and again, they're pretty cheap and affordable, and you can get them on level3.com all the time. I think it's lv3.com. And I've been a level 3, whatever you want to call it, vendor for a long time, since back in the old shop when it was Elegance. So we've just always had an account, a wholesale account. So I just get a lot of my stuff there, including hairspray as well. But most of my styling products, I don't really use their styling products. I think they're a lot cheaper than some of the other stuff that I use. Now that's pretty much it on this end, so I'm gonna move the camera down here where the good stuff is. All right guys, so moving over to this end, we will start with the clippers that I'm using. And today I'm using the Blue FX FXOnes from Babyliss Pro. I was actually just using the Black FX. You guys know that matte black is my favorite, but I wanted to test out the rubber grips. If you've been following the channel, the rubber grips are one of my favorite improvements over the years. The Black FXs don't have the rubber grip, but the Blues do. So I just busted these out this past week, and I'm loving them so far. I am also using the Lithium FXs as well. They match with the blue blades and the black clippers. And if you guys aren't aware, the Lithium FX opens probably the furthest of any clipper that I've ever used. So it is gonna open to 4.2 millimeters. Everybody always asks, like, does it open to a 1, I don't really know. I don't know what opening to a 1 means, but this opens so far, so much further than the rest of my clippers. And then I come in and fade with the FX1s. Now down on the very end, I have the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium high-speed dryer. You can see black and blue to match both sets of clippers that I just showed you. And it does come with a diffuser, 2 nozzles, and a pick attachment, which I haven't really used. And all the way back here in the back, I'm definitely gonna get a close-up for you guys. This is the new charging dock from Babyliss. You can snap them together and you can put up to, I think, 10 at a time. So you could have 20 batteries. We talk about using that for a shop. If everybody's using FXOnes, you throw all these docks in the middle and you have unlimited batteries for your barbers. I just keep 8 on the dock. I only use 3 FXOne clippers at a time, so I don't really need that many. But when I go on the road, I always have a few I can pop out of there, throw in my travel bag, and take with me. Now, all this Babyliss stuff can be grabbed at babylesspro.com. All the FXOnes, there's new drops that just came out, the charging docks, the blow dryer, and they've been running mad specials lately. So they've been running like 20% off, 30% off, free shavers when you buy something over 200 bucks, whatever it is. So you guys check it out at babylesspro.com. And we got a few other things over here in the station, my combs and tools and all that we use. This is a OP styling comb and an OP fade brush. You can get these at barberjoshop.com. And I'm still using the same old combs if you guys have been following me. This is the YS Park 336. This is the Utsumi 299. All of them are carbon, so they don't really bend and they won't break. You don't lose any teeth. I hate seeing barbers using combs with no teeth. Just buy another comb, come on, man. That's pretty much it on this end of the station. You guys can see, I do have my Tomb45 display over here. That is the #1 first team that I started to work with, so I still gotta rep them hard. If you guys wanna grab any of the Tomb45 stuff I showed, that is all at tomb45.com, and my code Seancutshair will save you 10% there. I did just pick up the 360 Jeezy fade brush over here. I don't cut a whole lot of waves, but it's the wave runner version, and I wanted to put it up on display. I got a new custom FX setup here on display as well, and my bobblehead, of course. And that's looking like pretty much it. If you guys haven't seen my barber chair, this barber chair is amazing. It has been great. My clients love it. Fully customized Klutch barber chair. That was made by Frankie Designs. I believe it's frankie-designs.com or at Frankie Designs on Instagram. If a custom chair is something you guys will want to check out. And last but not least, guys, I am rocking the custom Illusion capes. Illusion, obviously the best capes. I gotta be honest, guys, if you're using anything other than Illusion, I just can't even take you serious. There's a few brands like that. There's a few things like that there's really only one that you should be using. So Illusion is absolutely the best capes. You can do fully customized. I'm looking over there. They just dropped a real tree cape that I have. I got 7 other ones in there. I got a drawer full. They are the best capes, water repellent. They're wide, they're big, so they cover the client well. They fit around the neck, any neck size. So if you guys aren't using Illusion capes, you definitely need to check them out. And I got a discount code over there as well. It is Seancutshair, and I believe it is 10% off as well at illusion.com. But that is pretty much it for the station, guys. One last thing, the Klutch crossbody bag is still available. I'm looking at one over there. I got a bag here to sell locally, but you guys can get one if you want at gmbpro.com. They're only 20 bucks. Love having this thing. For one, I can put my mic on it right here. It's kind of nice. I don't have to put it on my shirt. And it carries my keys, my wallet, my phone, all of that, so I don't have to worry about shoving stuff in my pockets and all that. So if you guys want to grab one, head over to gmbpro.com. But that is it for the studio video, the tool update for 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I almost walked off the camera over here. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to do an update. A lot of new tools that have been out, a lot of new things, a lot of old things too, if you guys have been following me forever. But anyway, I'm gonna link you to the rest of the studio tour in case you guys want to see that, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.